Okay, picked up some stuff from Amazon, and let's unbox. These had really good reviews. Put the links down, but if you're looking for a shed, LED solar light, like a solar panel, or a I'm using them for the chicken coop. So here's my solar panel. I don't think these things are charged up, but I gotta get them charged up. And unfortunately, I don't want to post this, but I gotta go to work. Here, so let's check that one here. Oh man, check these little guys. So these suckers are supposed to be super duper bright, and you can put them anywhere. Unfortunately, they have a dumb remote, which I can care less about. Sounds like something's gonna get lost for me. To me, but we're gonna just mess with it. So I got two of those. That's going inside the chicken coop, so I can give them some love through the winter when it's dark and in the summer. So here's a nice little solar panel for it. I'll statch this on the outside facing south. Ideally, I think it's 37 degrees. At least it's still working. And so I got two of those. And I'm trying to find some directions on this bad boy here. So that's what it looks like put together in a sense. But I want to say they're like 15,000 looms. So, oh, there we go, luminous. So only 1,000. I was wrong. Only 1,000 looms. That's pretty bright for what I need out there. And I got two of them, so I'll use one day, and I rotate them because in the cold here, they might conk out and not last all night. So we'll see what the settings is, how it is. But the batteries in here, I wasn't going to take them apart right now, but you can always change the batteries. I should take one apart, but it's 4,400 mAh, so that's the life of the charge, you know, how much charging capacity that the little batteries got in them and stuff. So when I was ever doing AA stuff, I always trying to get 1,600 mAh for little things that I was using. But as an unboxing of these, it's pretty good. I wonder if it's got any juice in it. I wonder. It's got a little tongue and groove there. Again, they were just, they're in the box, so some things work and some things don't. Here's the remote. Again, I wasn't a fan of the remote, just something you gotta like take with you, but I will test it from the house to the chicken coop, and hopefully I can do it from the house, because that'd be pretty sweet if I could. I don't know what battery comes in this little guy. Oh, it's got a little, it's like a little watch battery looking thing. There it is. You push that tab in. Oh, shoot. Throw it all away. So this is a CR2025. I think I just put it in backwards. Yeah, I think it's supposed to go the other way. Plus. Plus up. There you go. Since I had to drop things, I wonder. Nope, no juice in them. I was just going to see if it had any love. But let's see, on and off. I was hoping I had a little charge to them, but oh, look at that! So it's down. Oof, and it hasn't been charged. That's pretty dang bright for what it is. That'll do everything you need. And you got it adjustable. So if you're in your, put it in your little shed. Again, this is my chicken coop stuff. And they're low, so that's all right. At least it turned on for a half a second. Oh yeah, look at that. That's pretty bright. Let's keep this light on here for a minute. Sorry guys. That's mode 4. So man, that's real bright. I can't even see what I'm doing here. Let's go mode 3, 2. Oh man. And there's different settings. So you want a time. You can have it on a timer or not. So that's mode 1. And I could dim them down. Going back to mode 4. But I can dim it down if I would like. I want it cranked. So ideally I'll have it on 3 because the chickens lay eggs. It helps them with the daylight savings time. You'll actually be able to get eggs longer throughout the winter time and stuff. So that's what we're rocking here. So that's pretty awesome. Sorry guys, I'm going black on you. Turn it back on so I get the light on. That's pretty darn bright. I can't see the spots. So I'm excited. Whoops. Wrong button. So that's pretty exciting. So I got 2 of those. Again, we piggyback back and forth, which is really cool. And again, they can adjust. So I just hang them up out there. And with the old ones, it was like a 3-pack, so I can adjust this down. It'll be pretty nice. So that'll be, I'm sort of stoked. I'll have these up next week, and we'll do a little look out in the chicken coop and stuff. So that's way cool. Got my remote. Now these are the outside motion lights. Let's see if any predators are coming up. And again, the cable's long enough that I could run this to the southern exposure. So again, if you got a shop and you want to not have to worry about power, put on your pole or something like that. So let's see what this guy says here. Excuse me. This is a generous. Again, these have a lot of reviews on Amazon, so I'll put the link up there and stuff. But at least 7 seconds, 10 seconds. There's a whole bunch of settings, and I just want to see. So these got, looks like they got AA, so you could change them. So I don't know what I'd have to take it apart and see what the MAHs on these are. But again, for cold weather, it always jacks the battery life up and stuff. So, and I'm only putting these on the outside, so if I see animals, predators trying to get in my chicken coop. I had some other ones, but the storm it got us, totally blew it all away. So this is my replacements. And this one doesn't say what the MAH is. I mean, the lumen, I think it's around 1,000 lumens also. Oh, here we go. So the battery life, ion batteries, 2,400 mAh. That's sort of weak compared to the other. These little guys are 4,400. So 1,600 lumens. I might buy some Energizers or Duracell rechargeables and stick them in these suckers just so it lasts longer in the winter time. But I wonder if we could get this to turn on real quick. That'd be sort of hot. So I'm out here in the chicken coop, and I got my little light on. It's actually pretty bright, but it's I got on mode 2 is what it said. So let's go to mode. Let's see if I can turn it up. I guess 4. So I'm turning it up. This isn't the ideal setting for everything else, but I mean, it's pretty bright for what it is. I don't know how the longevity is, but if you're camping, I'm using this in a chicken coop, or if it's for your shed, I mean, that's bright. And I got 2 of these, so I'm going to alternate between the 2. And one thing is, I don't know if the remote's like going to set them both off, because then I'll just have to hit the little switch up there and do it. But again, they want mode 2. So I'm going to back it down some, because I want it in the wintertime. I would like it to stay on. I'd like it to stay on all night, because then it gives the girls eggs. I mean, you make them produce eggs and stuff. So I don't know if it's going to work or not like that, and only time will tell. Right now it's 40 out here. I mean, that's pretty darn good for the light. I'm happy with it, and then having 2, I could do stuff with it. So it's like fully adjustable. I got that tilting. I can tilt it up. I mean, this is pretty good. So for the price point, I don't know. I'm not at a longevity of it yet. If it'll last through the winter, we'll have to get back to it. But for right now, the initial, I like it a lot. If you're out camping, off-grid living, I could deal with this light, especially if it lasts, a couple hours, at night when you're on. You have 2 of them set up for like $30. Man, you can alternate in one day, and they can be charged up during the day. It's really overcast over here. So I don't know if it's going to, I mean, I don't think I get charged up today. This was out for a day, but we haven't had any sun in 2 days since I put it up. So this is my final synopsis on them. I'll have the link in Amazon when I bought them. And yeah, if you like it. But again, multiple uses. I'm using a chicken coop, as you can see, all the girls, my egg layers here. And so when the storm hit, what happened here, it destroyed the solar panels of them, so I could have maybe got it. This is the old one. Probably could take it down. Look at it, it's just not been used forever, so the batteries were holding. But once I run them out, same with this one, they'll be, yeah, this one's dead. I just didn't take them down and stuff like that, but I need a solar panel for it. I could probably use this one and piggyback. Well, the one outside for the outside light has like a weird little plug in it and stuff, but yeah. First time, first running, I'm happy with it and stuff. I gotta get the other one set up for it, but yeah. Thanks, guys. See you out there.